Back to the ball game. Westo. Jump ball between MVP and BMP. Jump ball between MVP and BMP. First ball. Adonis. Adonis 4-2. No good. Rebound by Thomas. Thomas to Coach Glenn. Coach Glenn. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by Eman. Eman to Boss Roland. Boss Roland. Pass to Gian. No good. Rebound by Coach Albert. Thomas. Adonis. Wala ka. Adonis to Rigor. Rigor to Eman. Eman. No good. Rebound by Josh. Intercept by Adonis. Adonis.
Bet Manu.
Adonis. Dribble the ball by Adonis. Nawala.
Heads.
Coach John. Dribble the ball by Coach John. Penetrate. Nice shot by Coach John. Score 1-0. Gian. Gian.
Ang oras para
To Rigor. Fade away. No good. Rebound by Josh. To Coach Glenn.
5 minutes and 52 seconds.
Freedom. Coach Albert. Asian. Score. 2-0. Eman. Layup. Nice shot by Eman. Score.
5 minutes and 30 seconds.
5 and 30 seconds. Josh. Wait. No good. Follow up. Nice shot by Josh.
5 minutes and 20 seconds.
3-1. A nice shot, scoop shot by Adonis. All
5 minutes.
3-2. Coach Glenn. To Albert. Intercept by Rigor. Rigor. To Gian. Score.
4 minutes and 49 seconds.
All three. Roland. Intercept by Roland.
Galit ang announcer.
Nice behind the back.
Gian. Jump shot. Nice shot.
4 minutes and 31 seconds.
Score, 4-3. Lamang na po yung 4. Intercept by Gian. Gian.
4 minutes and 15 seconds remaining.
Thomas. Thomas. Intercept.
Misa, intercept.
Adonis. 4-2. No good.
4 minutes and 1 second.
Intercept by Rigor. Rigor. To Adonis. Backboard. Piso-piso.
3 minutes and 50 seconds.
5-3. John. Coach John. Penetrate. Nice shot by Coach John. Score. 5-4.
3 minutes and 35 seconds.
Eman. Dribble the ball by Eman. Eman. To Gian. Gian. Jump shot. No good. Dribble by Eman.
3 minutes and 15 seconds.
Foul by Josh. Eman. Penetrate. Intercept by Thomas. Foul.
2 minutes and 55 seconds.
Adonis 4-2. No good. Short.
2 minutes and 37 seconds.
Alright.
Hey bro.
Ano? Uwi na agad?
Oh? Hindi ako makashoot eh.
Josh to Glenn. Glenn. And then for 2. No good. Rebound by Adonis.
Last 2 minutes by Aquagol.
Adonis to rigor!
Nice shot.
Last 2 minutes.
7-4. Score.
Check bro.
1 minute and 50 seconds.
To Glenn. Glenn for 2. No good. Rebound by Josh. Score 7-5.
1 minute and 37 seconds.
Eman. Jump shot. No good.
1 minute and
Oh,
21 seconds. Time remaining.
Score po natin 7-5.
Ang ating oras, 1 minute and 13 seconds.
Lamang po ang 7. Foul contact.
Last 1 minute and 6 seconds. $55 seconds.
Score 8-6. Albert to
45 seconds remaining time.
Coach Glenn to Thomas.
30 seconds.
Foul.
Oras bossing.
Last 22 seconds.
22 seconds.
18 seconds.
Ano, nakapunta na na?
Oo. Sa ano di pa?
Brought to you by Aqua Cold Water.
Change ko channel.
Oasis 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Change pa lang.
Change score. Score 9-6. Lamang po yung 9.
Alright. Favor of not white.
White team leading by 3 points.
Brought to you by Aqua Water.
Favor of 9.
Favor of 9.
Thomas.
May tubig doon no?
Tubag siya.
Thomas for
Bigyan
2.
Mag-refill tayo.
MVP vote.
Pasok.
Alright. Simulan na naman tayo sa umpisa at matatapos tayo sa katapusan.
Score 9-8.
6 minutes and 20 seconds remaining by second games.
Coach Abdul to Coach Glenn. To Thomas. Thomas, MVP vote. Nice shot.
Alright,
Back to
nice
back to
shot
back.
by Leche.
All 9. Score.
Zion Leche.
Zion Williams.
Zion number 34. 5 minutes and 47 seconds remaining time. Brought to you by Pexa.
Coach Abdul. To Albert.
Yes. Ponce. Contractor. Yes.
Alam pa ni Gor.
Follow up
Score.
by Gregor. 5 minutes and 24 seconds remaining. Pumukol sa tres.
Rebound by Abdul. Coach Abdul.
5 minutes. Good still by.
Layup by Zian. Score 11-9.
Ang ating oras ay 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Four minutes and 50 seconds. Tanggol.
Goal 4-2.
4 minutes and 40 seconds remaining time. Good rebound by yes! Hindi mo masok. Tinimbang ngunit kulang.
Rigor. To Gian. Gian. Tubos na lahat.
Yes, sir! Hindi po masok ang tira ni Contractor.
Sinayang yung magandang pasa.
The contractor.
Coach
Yes,
Abdul.
sir.
Nice layup by Coach Abdul.
Ang ating oras ay 4 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. Another shot. Pass by Paulsen. 4 minutes.
Galing naman ang yoyo na yun. Score 13-10.
Oras 3 minutes and 50 seconds.
Coach Abdul, jump shot. Nice shot by Coach Abdul.
Ganda ng bitaw naman.
Score 13-11.
13-11. Favor of White. 3 minutes and 33 seconds.
3 minutes and 30.
Seconds.
Gian. Intercept. Intercept by
Second Petolu, jersey number 24.
MVP mo. Score 13-12.
3 minutes and 13 seconds remaining time. Favor of White.
Adonis. No good. Rebound by Rigor. To Eman. Eman. No good.
Another Petolu, jersey number 24. Tuloy-tuloy tumira sa dress. Yes, sir. Di po masok good rebound by Contractor. Gian. Oh,
Haba.
side step. Ang layo ng
Haba.
side step.
Haba.
Putok na putok ang pagwan ah.
Foul by Coach Abdul.
2 minutes and 30 seconds. 13-12. Favor pa rin sa White. 13-12. Good rebound by Coach Albert. Jersey number 19. 1 by Contractor. Pass by Binanggan.
Nice block. Nice block. No foul. No foul. Block.
Bet Malupi. 1 minute and 59 seconds.
Coach Glenn, 4-2.
Yes,
No good.
sir.
Rebound by Rigor. To Gian.
Yes, sir.
14-12.
1 minute and 45 seconds remaining time.
Rebound by Rigor. Rigor.
Contractor, easy layup by Contractor!
Lumabas.
Lumabas, binomba ni Contractor. Yes,
MVP mo.
sir! 3 by MVP. 1 minute and 20 seconds. 1 minute and 16 seconds. 1 minute and 15 seconds.
15-14.
1 minute remaining. 1 minute remaining. 1 minute remaining.
All 15.
Alright, ang ating oras ay segundo na lang ang tumatakbo. 15 seconds. Nice block by Coach Albert. To Contractor.
Kitang-kita.
Kitang-kita, hindi mo mapapagkamalan. 38 seconds. Ang ating oras na natitira ay 35 seconds. Lamang pa rin ang deadlock score. Ang ating oras, 28 seconds. Deadlock score. Deadlock score. Yes, sir. Yes, tulog-tulog more. Yes, sir. Was good. 15 seconds. 14.
Double ba, double?
7.
6,
5.
4,
3.
2, 1.
0.